silk.
Yes.
So yung dala ko po is trapeze kasi beginners friendly po siya. So in our studio, in Imos, we have hammock, silk, and this one. Okay? So kung nag-gym po kayo, this is called TRX handles. Yan. Handles po. So we have the first handle, the second, and the third. This one can cater 300 kilo. Okay? This is a parachute material. So this trapeze has with me like almost 4 years na po. Okay? So hindi po siya mumurahin na fabric. Okay? So ito po yung ginagamit namin everyday sa studio until now. Okay? So we have the settings. So that's the standard settings. We have the low settings, yung nasa ground lang. Okay? So what is the benefits of this one and what's the difference between yung ginawa ninyo and this one? So the trapeze, the main benefits is your spine. It's focused on your spine. So every day, your spine is compressed. During your inversion, it's decompressed. Just follow my cue. You have to let go all the muscles. When I said relax your hips, relax your shoulders, relax your knees, and then feel the stretch of whole your body. So first question is, sinong may vertigo dito? Okay, so vertigo, hindi po siya pwede lalo na pag nag-invert po tayo. Okay, so maybe wala kayong vertigo today and then you realize nahihilo po kayo. So ano lang po tayo, yung hindi po tayo pwede sa inversion, pero pwede po tayo sa ibang sequence kasi ang dami pong sequence ng aerial. Okay? So bawal po sa buntis without professionals. Bawal po siya sa severe glaucoma kasi naka-inversion kasi siya. And then of course, we can invert until 9 minutes. Pero for you guys, if this is your first time, 1 minute lang po. Okay? So, kasi hindi siya together, may space siya. I might be isa-isa sa inyo. Okay, so sinong gustong mauna? You have questions that I should